हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आप सभी का हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल केमसाइक्लोपीडिया में बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। आज हम केमिस्ट्री रिलेटेड रिक्रूटमेंट्स लेके आए हैं और ये रिक्रूटमेंट डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ एटॉमिक एनर्जी, गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया, भाभा एटॉमिक रिसर्च सेंटर से है। सो दिस इज अ क्लास ए पोस्ट एंड ये रिक्रूटमेंट इंजीनियरिंग एंड साइंस डिसिप्लिन के लिए है। नेम ऑफ द प्रोग्राम इज OCES एंड DGFS 2021. So this is the information brochure for the candidates. So let us discuss all things step by step. So पहले हम लोग ट्रेनिंग स्कीम्स एंड एम्प्लॉयमेंट डिस्क्रिप्शन से स्टार्ट करते हैं. So BRC ट्रेनिंग स्कूल, it provides 2 training schemes to deserving candidates ambitious of pursuing and rewarding career in nuclear science, engineering and technology. This recruitment is basically for science students and for engineering students. Clear? So ये पूरा आप लोग पढ़ लेना स्टूडेंट्स. ये पीडीएफ का डाउनलोडिंग लिंक मैं अपने वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे दूंगा, आप वहां से पीडीएफ डाउनलोड कर सकते हो. सो देयर इज अ 1 year ओरिएंटेशन कोर्स फॉर इंजीनियरिंग ग्रेजुएट्स एंड साइंस पोस्ट ग्रेजुएट्स फॉर द एकेडमिक ईयर ऑफ 2021 to 2022. So that is called as OCES 2021. Clear? So it will be conducted at 5 BARC training schools situated at Mumbai, Kalpakkam, Indore and Hyderabad. So ये पूरा पढ़ लेना स्टूडेंट्स. So ये हो गया अपना OCES का. Then for DGFS there is a 2-year course for engineering graduates and physics postgraduates for the academic session beginning in July or August 2021. That is DGFS 2021. So under this scheme, engineering graduates and physics postgraduates who have excelled in their selection interviews for BARC training schools program and who have also independently secured admission for MTech and MChem engineering in select institutes and specialization as listed in table 3 are paid stipend and tuition fee to pursue MTech and MChem engineering degree while retaining their employment in DAE. That is very important students. ये सब आप लोग पढ़ लेना स्टूडेंट्स डिटेल में. So let's discuss about stipend and the allowances. So for OCES there is a stipend of 55,000 per month and one-time book allowance is 18,000. And DGFS fellows are reimbursed the tuition fee of MTech or MChem engineering and are additionally paid one-time contingency grant of 25,000. Clear? And remember students, during training period you have to stay in a DI hostel. That is mandatory. And there is a bond amount of 6,78,000 for OCES and 13,58,000 for DGFS fellows. That also please remember. And there is no third party surety is required. Next pay scale is appointment after successful completion of training program in all units shall be as a scientific officer C, that is SOC, in the level 10, that is 56,100 of 7th central pay commission by pay matrix, and after adding all allowances salary will be 95,000. And along with this they will have all facilities like LTC, then child's education allowance, professional update allowance, okay, and CHSS facility is also available. Now third is the selection process. It is a 2-step process: written test and selection interviews. So screening for selection interviews is based on 2 alternative methods. पहला है by online examination. So online examination will be conducted in September 2021. They have given the all dates that we are going to see. ठीक है. And second method for selection to the online interview is on the basis of GATE score. So candidates must have valid GATE 2020-2021 score. So ये सब आप लोग पढ़ लेना. So shortlisted candidates will be called for the selection interviews, and for outstation candidates traveling allowances will be paid by 2-way normal AC3 tier train fare to attend the selection interviews. So probable period of the selection interviews is going to be October 2021. So they will be updating these dates on the website. You need to keep on visiting website regularly. So eligibility criteria. So हम लोग chemistry related recruitment देख रहे हैं, तो we will focus on chemistry. So for chemistry discipline, code is CY42. Essential qualification is MSc chemistry with physics up to BSc or at subsidiary and or ancillary level in case of 5-year integrated MSc, and mathematics at class 12 or at BSc or at subsidiary and or ancillary level in case of 5-year integrated MSc will be essential. ठीक है. And marks है minimum 60%. Applicants who are opting based on GATE score, they must have valid GATE 2020-2021 score. Age limit है for general category it is 26 years as on 1st August 2021. For OBC it is 29 years. For SC ST it is 31 years. Clear? And this is the other age criteria. Please refer to this. Nationality, it must be citizen of India. So those who are working under central government units, so they should have NOC. ये भी essential है. And application fee is 500 rupees, which is non-refundable. ये भी याद रखना. So this 500 fees is for male candidates belonging to the general and the OBC category. Women candidates and candidates belonging to SC ST are exempted from the application fee. So students, remember that all dates are tentative and applicants must regularly visit to the website for the update. So let's now discuss how to apply. So Google में BARC online exam type करना है. Then BARC online registration. So जो कि हम लोग साइंस फील्ड से है तो इसलिए साइंस पे क्लिक करना है. ठीक है. ये डाउनलोड्स में यहाँ से आप लोग एडवर्टाइजमेंट डाउनलोड कर सकते हो. तो यहाँ पे अप्लाई ऑनलाइन पे क्लिक करना है. This is the criteria, students. For general category, age limit is 26 years. That means candidates who have born on or after 1 August 1995 will be eligible for this post. Clear? This is the age criteria. Just see. Then यहाँ पे क्लिक करना है. Then proceed for the registration करना है. So यहाँ पे just I agree करके पूरा फॉर्म भर के सबमिट करना है. Then you have to fill all your details. Then that will be done for the application. Clear, students? So अभी देखते हैं ट्रेनिंग स्कूल एंड ट्रेनिंग स्कीम ऑप्शंस. सो BARC मुंबई में दिस आर द ऑप्शंस. सो अपना केमिस्ट्री है CY. देन IG कार कल्पक्कम में है. ठीक है. सो आवर केमिस्ट्री OCS प्रोग्राम is available at 2 centers, BARC Mumbai and IG car Kalpakkam. These are the dates, students. Online application has been started from 12th July, that is today. Last date for registration of online application is 7th August. Submission का 9th August है. Okay, online examination slot booking is around 20th August से 25th August के बीच में रहेगा. And online examination will happen in the dates of 5th September to 12th September. Clear? These are the dates, students. All these dates are tentative and the applicants must regularly visit this website for the updates. So students, so this is the vacancy for gazetted post in the government of India. It is very nice opportunity for you all. So please apply this post. While applying this post, if you have any queries, you can always write your message in our comment box. So thank you very much students for listening. ऐसे बेहतरीन रिक्रूटमेंट्स के अपडेट्स पाने के लिए आप YouTube पे हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर सकते हो. If you like our efforts, please like the video, share it with your friends and subscribe the channel. Thank you.